Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today video, we will discuss about how you can make the payment, professional tax payment related to Karnataka. So each state having different website for making the professional tax payment. So today we will discuss about on Karnataka. So there will be a part two also. In part one, we will discuss about how you can make the payment, and in part two, I will show you how you can file your PT return in Karnataka. So for that, you have to visit, for making the payment, you have to visit in vat.kr.inc. So here only you can make the payment related to Karnataka PT. So just click on this link and you will visit to this website where you have to make the payment. And once you make the payment, you have to download that challan copy. And if you visit to Prerna website where you have to make the return file. So about this, we will discuss in part two. So we'll go to in part one and we will make a challan payment. So just click on here, and here four option is there. So first option is related to self-employment. Say suppose you are a self-employment, there are no staff is working under you. So in that case, you can select this one. So you have EC register number. So what is different between EC and RC? So if you click on register employer, here will come RC. So there is a difference between EC and RC. So EC is an enrollment certificate where you don't have any employee and you are not paying salary more than 15,000. So in that case, you can select a self-employment and you can make a yearly payment only. But in case if you have a employees who earning more than 15,000, then you have to deduct 200 rupees per month and you have to file on or before subsequent month of 20. So in this company, there are more than 14 people who are getting more than salary 15,000. So we deducted 200 from their salary and we have to make that payment also. So we will go with a registered employer only. And we also have a VAT concept where we have to update TIN number, but this concept is not now. But the old case, whatever open is there for them, it will be useful. We have also GST registration number. So if you have a GST number and through that also you can make the payment. So now currently we will select a registered employee and we will process here. So RC number is 3968. Yeah. So once you type RC number, the company name will come. Here, yearly payment you have to select at the year end only. So financial year now 21 and 22 is going on. So in the month of March 2022, you have to make a yearly payment. You have to renewal every year by paying 2,500. But now we are going to make a monthly payment where 200 rupees we deducted each employee. So this 2021, and for the month of June we are making this payment, so we will select that one. And 14 employees whose salary is more than 15,000, so we deducted 200 rupees each, and you can give your mobile number. So let me give some random number and just click on next. So this will show you just preview kind of thing. So you can take this concept as like you may hear a TDS payment or income tax payment. If you want to do, you will go to NSDL hyphen tin NSDL tin hyphen NSDL website where you can make the payment, and later you will file your income tax return. So same way PT also, you have to make the payment here, create the challan, and later off after that you can go to Prerna website and you can file your PT return. So just click on submit. So this is the number is very important because when you file your PT return, this number only you have to make sure you have to give this number only. So let me take a screenshot of this and just click on, let me copy. And once you click on make the payment, it will ask you the net banking in through which bank you have to select. So net banking, you can make a debit card through debit card also. So let me select ICICI, just give the capture word and click on submit. So it will redirect to your net banking. Once you make the payment, the next step is you have to e-verify that also before filing your PT return. So let me make this payment, and once I make the payment, I will get one challan number, CTC number. So through that number we can verify. So I will show you how you can verify that also. Just so the payment is completed. Once the payment is successfully done, you can go back to your main page, and you can verify e-payment. So before filing the PT return, you have to do e-verification also. Just click on that, and it will ask you two options, either a CTD number or this one. So I have this number and my RC number, date, and the amount I paid. Just click on listed. So you can check out that this is already verified. So verification is completed. So this is the one step. Second step, you can download your challan copy also. As if you are following all the compliances, then you have to take the printout of your challan and you have to keep safely, because whenever audit comes, they will ask all these details. So click on this one. RC number is not required. Date. So once you make the payment through your bank, also you can download that challan copy, and if you required, you can download from here also. So I think some, yeah, 3949684. So either one is enough. So it's loading. Yeah. So you can take a PDF from here also. Yeah. So this is my challan copy. So this challan copy, you have to make sure you have to keep safe for future use purpose. So like that, you can make the payment. So once the payment is done, after that you can go to Prerna website, and there we can file the our PT return. So this is the part one. Part two, soon I will record and upload in my YouTube channel. So in case if you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, just please subscribe it, so that you should not miss out the part two also. And one more thing, that we have a Telegram group in the name of Tax Entrepreneur. You can search in Telegram and you can join that Telegram group also, because where daily I share something updates related to taxation. So most important, if you are an accountant or tax consultant, you definitely should join my Telegram group, because every weekend we will conduct some free session and paid session also. So you will get benefit from that also. And yeah, so the link I given in my description and comment section also. So don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel and join my Telegram group also. So we'll see you in our part 2 video, how you can file your PT return. So till then, हमें भी आपके दुआओं में याद रखें.